If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new notifications so that you don't miss any new videos. Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen and Travel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare bisibele bath in one pot. Let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare bisibele bath. We need 1 cup rice, 3/4 cup tur dal, bisibele bath powder. You can use 2 to 3 tablespoon bisibele bath powder, asafoetida, oil. Here I have taken olive oil. You can use any cooking oil. Clarified butter for tempering, jaggery, some cashews, coriander leaves, curry leaves, some vegetables like here I have taken 1 potato, 1 cup of green peas, carrot, French beans, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt to taste and tamarind juice. Let's start the preparation. First we have to wash rice and tur dal separately and we have to soak them in water for at least half an hour. Here I have soaked Sona Masuri rice for half an hour. You can use any rice. Tur dal also have soaked well. Now we can start the bisibele bath preparation. Keep one pressure cooker for heating. Add in oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, asafoetida, curry leaves, dry red chilies, roast this for few seconds. Now we have to add our vegetables: carrot, peeled and chopped potato, French beans, green peas. We have to roast these vegetables in oil for 2 to 3 minutes. Here I have taken 1 medium-sized carrot, 1 medium-sized potato and 10 to 12 French beans. It's 3 minutes now. We have to add turmeric powder, red chili powder, little salt. Roast this for few seconds so that we don't get raw smell of turmeric. Now it's time to add tamarind juice, jaggery, allow it to cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Once tamarind water cooks for 1 to 2 minutes, we have to add soaked rice, tur dal. Mix everything well for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to add bisibele bath powder. Here I am using 2 tablespoons of bisibele bath powder. Now we have to add 6 to 7 cups of water. We have added very less salt. Now we have to add salt to taste. Mix everything well one more time. Now close the lid and allow it to cook on high stove heat for 1 to 2 whistles. After that, make stove heat to low and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. 2 whistles are done. After that, I have cooked it for 12 minutes on low stove heat. Rice has cooked properly. If you want to make it little thin, you can add little water and cook it open. In a small frying pan, add in clarified butter. Once ghee heats up, we have to add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, asafoetida, dry red chilies, some cashews. You can add some curry leaves as well. Roast these for few seconds. Now we have to pour it on Bisibele-bath. Add some finely chopped coriander leaves. Bisibele-bath is ready to serve. Healthy and tasty Bisibele-bath is ready to enjoy. You can have it with khara bundi, raita or pickle. We can garnish it with some coriander leaves, some ghee roasted cashews and red chili. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.